Hey everyone! Welcome back to Glow and Grow Healthy, your trusted source for simple, effective ways to live a healthier life. Today, we're diving into an ancient yet powerful secret to better health: cooking with clay pots and traditional cookware. If you're looking to boost your nutrition, improve your overall well-being, and even help the environment, this video is for you. Let's get started. Why cooking in clay pots is a healthy choice. Clay pots are not just eco-friendly, they're a game changer for your health. Being biodegradable, they naturally decompose and return to the earth, making them perfect for sustainable living. And here's the real kicker. If you or someone you know has diabetes, food cooked in clay pots can make a world of difference. It retains nutrients and is much gentler on the body compared to food prepared in modern cookware. Micronutrients essential for your body. Your body thrives on essential micronutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and iron, 18 in total. These tiny but mighty nutrients are critical for your overall health. Phosphorus deficiency can lead to problems like a hunchback. Iron deficiency, the primary cause of anemia and low energy. Sulfur deficiency, commonly linked to asthma and respiratory issues. Here's the amazing part: clay pots naturally infuse your food with these essential nutrients because they're made from soil, which is rich in all 18 micronutrients. Isn't it fascinating how nature works to keep us healthy? Traditional cookware vs. modern alternative. Stainless steel is popular. Pure iron cookware is a far better option for your health. And here's a quick cleaning tip. Before washing your iron pans, rub them with lemon juice and its peel. This simple trick enhances their longevity and keeps them safe for cooking. And let's not forget the types of clay cookware. Black clay griddles are perfect for corn tortillas. Red clay griddles are ideal for wheat bread. Yellow clay griddles are great for millet bread. Most of today's health problems like cesarean births, prolonged recovery, and respiratory issues can be linked to nutritional deficiencies caused by our modern cookware and food practices. Switching back to traditional cookware, like clay and iron pots, can help reverse these trends and bring back balance to our lives. So, what do you think? Ready to make the switch to clay and iron cookware? Trust me, your body and the planet will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Glow and Grow Healthy. And hey, let us know in the comments, have you tried cooking in clay pots before? Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.